Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the TSV indicator. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the TSV indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 94 different strategies, with 28 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve an 84% win rate. We've also tested a total of 913 indicators, with 381 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 105 of the winning indicators. 38 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two, a 76% win rate. Now, if you are interested in a full list of these indicators and strategies, along with their win rates, we've compiled all that information into spreadsheets, which you will get when you become a patron of the channel. Keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, today we are looking at an advanced testing of the TSV indicator. The TSV indicator stands for the time segmented volume indicator. In the original testing, it did a 68% with 25 trades in the 1 year's time. And so we did keep this on the daily time frame, and so we kept it on the default take profit and stop. That is a 60 pip take profit and a 90 pip stop. And so the indicator itself, what we are looking for here, first of all, I did go in and change some of the visual. So the histogram, what was the histogram, I changed to columns, which is the red bars here in the background. The plot here, I did, I think, bump up the line weight 1 there and turned up the opacity. It just makes everything a little bit easier to see. And so what we are looking for is when the plot line, the green line here, crosses either down below the 0 line or it crosses up above the 0 line. And so, for example, when the plot line crosses up above the 0 line right here, what we are looking for is that cross to take place and then the red columns to be above the plot line. And so you can see that we get the cross right here as it crosses from here being below the 0 to here being above the 0 line. And in this particular case, the red columns were above the plot line when it makes the cross. That would give us a signal to then go long. Looks like we'd be right here. And we would be targeting that 60 pip and with a 90 pip stop on it. And you can see that it makes a really nice push to the upside there, which would have gotten us to our take profit. On the downside here, what we are looking for is when the plot line crosses down below the 0 line and we have a red column below that plot line. That would be a signal to go short. And so we would have a signal right here. And again, we are targeting that 60 pip take profit and a 90 pip stop. You can see we get a little bit of a pullback kind of close to our stop, but it was able to survive and then make a push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And that's how we tested it in the original testing. That's how we tested it in the advanced testing. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the advanced testing, and then we'll pick it up on the other side to take a look at what this was able to achieve. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the results of the advanced testing. So we did the 50 trade test like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we got 27 winning trades. We got 23 losing trades. So that's going to put us right at a 54% win rate. And so unfortunately, that's not going to maintain the 60% criteria that we are looking for. And so all in all, originally it did rather well, but lost a decent amount with just doubling the number of trades. And so we've seen it many times before where the indicator, as we hit about 50 trades, tends to really show what it can do as far as a win rate. And this one just diminished too much. And so it is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.